guys, it's Rowena here again. So today we're gonna be planting in our backyard of bittermelons or ampalaya in Tagalog. So I do have about 10 ampalaya plants in here that I just bought them from local nurseries in our local nursery in our area here. So they're about $1.50 each. So what I'm gonna do is we just recently plowed this soil, so it's nice and fresh and well treated and a bit of moist. There's moist. So here's the bitter melon. Like that. We planted about a foot from each other. So this will take up about 10 plants, 10 bitter melons plants. So hopefully this year we've been having a good harvest of a bitter melon for the last 4 years. So hopefully each year we'll get a good one. Thank you.